Now let's take a look at Shade Smooth for meshes. Hover over the mesh object and right-click. A simplified object menu will appear. The first three options in this menu are the ones we'll be focusing on. By default, the object is set to Shade Flat. Now, go ahead and select Shade Smooth from the menu. Once you click it, you'll see that the surface now appears smooth. However, this is just a visual effect. The number of vertices remains the same, and the resolution hasn't actually increased. Next, let's apply Shade Smooth to a cube as well. As you can see, the cube's surface is now smoothed, but something looks off. Shade Smooth works by interpolating vertex normals to create the illusion of a smooth surface. If the object has low resolution or sharp angles between vertices, it can result in this distorted appearance. For example, a cube has 90-degree angles between its edges, which creates extreme differences in normal directions. Now let's apply Shade Auto Smooth from the Object menu. Once you do that, the cube returns to its original appearance before smoothing was applied. When Shade Auto Smooth is enabled, a modifier called Smooth by Angle is added to the Modifier Properties panel. By default, the angle is set to 30 degrees. This means that faces with an angle difference of 30 degrees or less will be smoothed, while sharper angles remain unchanged. If you increase this value to 91 degrees, you'll notice that the cube looks distorted again, just like before. You can adjust this angle not only from the Modifier Properties panel, but also from the pop-up menu in the lower left corner. If you ever want to revert back to the original appearance, simply right-click and select Shade Flat.